Hello everyone. In the previous class, we discussed optical disc principles, right? So, and what we have the principles of operations like this we discussed in the previous class. Now, in this class, we will discuss what we have here different types of optical disc. Discuss different types of optical disc. Okay, so what we have the optical disc first. So first one is the CD-ROM. First one is the CD-ROM. Your CD-ROM means your compact disc read only memory. Compact disc read only memory. So here this CD-ROM means your compact disc read only memory. Read only memory. Okay, so here this CD-ROM is the non-volatile memory. This is the non-volatile memory. Your CD-ROM will be non-volatile memory. So why it is non-volatile memory? Here it is having the less capacity. Yes, once you stored into the CD-ROM, there is no problem with this. Okay, why? Because whenever you're switched off, there is no problem with the computer. Why? Because we are storing into the our CDs, right? Whenever you're placing again CD, yes, it is showing the our videos or audio CD files. Okay, so here it is a non-volatile memory in the our optical disc storage medium, where it is optical disc storage. Okay, and next here it is very capable to perform storing the different types of text. Okay, here this CD-ROM is capable to perform, or else you're capable to store different types. What we have the different types? Your text, pictures, or else graphics, sounds, and animations. Anything you can store into CD-ROM. It may be text, means your documents, files, or anything. It may be pictures, images. It may be graphics. It may be sounds, means your audios. It may be animations. Anything you can store into our CD-ROM. Anything you can store into this. Okay, whatever it may be. And here, whatever you're presenting the data into the CD-ROM, that is performing read only, not for the writing. Here it is not for the writing. Whatever you stored, that is for reading only. Means there is we can't change. If if you have any document, so that is not possible to change. Whatever you have, that is not possible to change. So definitely have to be performed read only. So whatever we have into the CD-ROM storage performance, that is definitely for read only performance, not for the write. Okay, so your CD-ROM is used for the read only, cannot be altered or else cannot be written. So it is only read only performance, not for the written. Okay, it is only for read only, not for the alter. Alter means if you are performing any modifications, or else you're rewritten. Rewritten means again if you are writing anything, so that is also not possible. So your CD-ROMs only for reading. It is not possible to perform writing performance or else any modifications also. So in this CD-ROM is accessible to our computers for the read our CD-ROM drive, and it is having the here means here our CD-ROM CD-ROM is having the size is like 120 mm. Okay, here our CD-ROM is having the size is like 120 mm, capable for holding the data 700 MB. Okay, here the CD-ROM is in the 120 mm size, and it is capable to store the data up to 700 MB. It is capable to store up to 700 MB. Okay, other than this, your um, we have this some mini CD-ROMs also. We have these some mini CD-ROMs also. So this mini CD-ROMs is having the 80 mm. Okay. Yes, we have the 120 mm with a size 120 mm, that is storing the data up to 700 MB. So here we have again so mini CDs also. So that mini CD is having the 8 mm size, and that is storing the 184 MB only. What is the use for the 184 MB? Nothing else, right? So 700 MB also not use, but we are using. Compared to that, your 8 mm is very low. It is having the only 184 MB storage. Okay. So mostly we will not use that one. Yes, we are using for the simple cases only. So mostly we are using the CDs. Or else we are using another one, I will tell you. So here CD-ROM we can call like compact disk read only memory. By using this compact disk read only memory, we can perform read the data or pictures or graphics or sounds or animations. We cannot rewrite or we cannot perform the modifications also. Whatever we have, that is only reading performance. So these CDs are having the size like 120 mm or 80 mm. So if it is having the 120 mm size, it is occupies the 700 MB storage. If it is having the 8 mm size, it is occupying the 184 MB. Okay, and previous class already I showed like one CD. Okay, so just check that one. And the next year we have the second type is the DVD. Second type we have the DVD. What we have here, second type is the DVD. Okay, so your DVD, what is DVD? What is the full form for the DVD? Your DVD means digital versatile disc. It's a digital versatile disc. Your what is DVD? Your what is DVD? Your DVD means your digital versatile disc. Okay, so your this digital versatile disc is having a several ways of DVD formats. Yes, we have the DVD, digital versatile disc, but it is having the several ways to perform our DVDs, not only one thing. So what we have the several ways here? We have several ways. First one, DVD video. DVD video. What is DVD video? Why you are performing DVD video? Why you are performing DVD video, right? So what is DVD video means here? We can call this DVD video format is like a DVD format. Okay, so this type of format we can call like a DVD format. We can call this is the DVD format. Okay, and here it is storing the full length high quality movies. Here this DVD video is storing the full length, not simple. Okay, whatever we have the full length means here suppose you have the 3 GB. Suppose you have the 3 GB movie. Okay, yes, definitely it will be stored into the DVD video. Okay, we have the videos for the one thing. Okay, like this. Okay, audios for one. Okay, so we can fix into the full video, full length high quality video, high quality videos, or else we can place into the movies also. Okay, so full quality full length high quality movies we can store into the our DVD videos, and it is having the some menus and extras. So these full length and high quality movies is having the menus and extras. Okay, so your it may be whatever we have the video. Okay, whatever we have the video, it may be digital video or anything. Okay, so it is just taking the our menus and extras, right? So your what is menus? Okay, your what is menus here? What is extras? Your menus means your something. So whatever we have whatever we have in the computer system, so how it is working, so what it is taking, you can choose the new option, or else you can choose the open, so open the video, or else you can close that video, or else you can save that video, or else you can save that video into whenever wait whatever you have drives. Okay, so you can save whatever you need, properties or anything. So means your this menu is taking whole type of file type. Okay, so your it is menu is taking the our file type. And what is extras here? Your what is extras here? This extras can be performing like accessory type. Okay, so this extras is taking the accessory type, means your whatever we have the printers or anything, so how it is having the quality. Okay, and whatever we have parts to that. Okay, so means here it is having the good quality or not, like this it is checking into this, right? And here it is performing, it is navigating to users can navigate with the direct performance to our digital videos. Users means you, who are the users? We are the users. We can directly communicate with this. Yes, we can communicate with directly is possible. And in this here all the movie videos, or else here all the audio files, everything will be stored into the one folder, so we can call that folder is video ts, video ts. Okay, so here whatever we have the videos and audio files here, those are stored into the our videos, and the ts folder is like video ts. So in this we can take multiple audio tracks for the different languages or anything, so not only one language, right? So here we have the different languages. Okay, so every language can be performed with the our dvds. Any language you can take, any language, it may be videos or audios, any language you can take, that is simply, or it is taking the storing performance. Okay, and your mostly this dvd is having the minimized use of vhs tapes at homes. Okay, it is taking the vhs tapes. Okay, so where these dvds is taking the vhs tapes of videos here, so these are taking into the our home performance. Okay, so what we have here, vhs tapes. Okay, so here where we are using this one, in the our homes we are using this one. So vhs how we have, see this, like this we have vhs type, like this here we have the vhs type. So here this is the tape here, mostly we are using into the our home performance. Okay, so your vhs is the one type of recording tape cassette. We can call this this is the one type of recording tape cassette. In the 1970 we introduced this one. Okay, in the 1970 our Japan companies was invented this VHS. So we can call this is the video home system. Mostly we are using the mostly we are using into the home systems, home manner, like this. Okay, and also here we can carry this dvd into anywhere. Okay, we can carry this dvd into anywhere is possible. And next we have in the dvd, second one is the dvd rom. Second one what we have, dvd rom. Okay, here what is dvd rom here? Digital versatile disk with the read only memory. Read only memory, it is performing the only read only memory type. Okay, so this type of format we can call read only media. We can call this is the read only media. What we can call here, this dvd video is the dvd format, and dvd rom means here it is performing the only read only memory. And here we can call this is the means here wherever we are performing the disk format, that cannot be, so means here once you are returning Okay, once you're returning that one, so it cannot be burnt or modified similar to our DVD video. So in this DVD video, if you need here, you can remove, or else you can delete, or else you can erase. Everything is possible. But in the DVD ROM here, it is not possible to again read, write, and modify. So it is just reading whatever we have, that is reading only by using this. And this file format is just taking the whatever we have the videos in the digital videos or like this, and in it is supporting just multiple sorry, it is just supporting like multimedia games of applications. Okay, your DVD ROM can be performing the multimedia games. Okay, it is just performing the multimedia games applications, or else instructional contents, so or else any non-linear fashions or anything. So your it is having the more or less analogous for the CD-ROMs. Okay, here it is having the more and more or low. Okay, not more and not low, so it is having it may be more or it may be less. So for the storage capacity comparing to the our CD-ROM. Okay, and next we have the third one is the DVD RAM. Okay, so this is the ROM, and next one we have the DVD RAM. Let's see what is DVD RAM. Third one we have in the DVD. What we have in the third one? DVD RAM. Okay, third one we have the DVD RAM. Okay, so this DVD RAM can be called like a random access memory format. Here RAM means your random access memory. So this is the one format is like random access format. Random access memory format. This is we can call here random access memory format, and it is having the one special format we can call that is cartridge. We can call here we have the one special format we can call that is the cartridge. Cartridge means we have one cartridge tape or cartridge cassette type. Okay, so we have like that, right? So for this here we are performing, and next year whatever we have the disk that is not having the that is not have any access for read or write any other write. Okay, so we cannot read, we cannot write is so normally in the ROM here we cannot write, but in the RAM here there is no possible to read and write. Okay, so it is just mostly implemented in peripheral storage devices, or else it is performing with the hard drives. Okay, so it is just used to re-record the files and also allows to random access. Here why it is performing re-recording performance, it is performing the re-record performance, it is not performing the mostly in all other cases, it is just performing the re-recording cases, and it is mostly not using in the schools. We are not using in the schools, mostly we are not using, we are not using this one into the schools here. There is no most useful for the DVD RAMs here. Okay, and next here we have the fourth one is the DVD OR. Next one we have the fourth one, DVD OR. Okay, so this DVD OR we can call recordable format. Your OR means your recordable format. Recordable format. We can call this is the recordable format. Okay, so this recordable format is having the 4.7 GB single layer. Okay, so this DVD OR is having the 4.7 GB. This is having the 4.7 GB. So your this 4.7 GB is the single layer DVD. This is having the 4.7 GB. So that is we can call your single layer DVD. That we can call your single layer DVDs. Okay, it is also taking the users to burn copying the files is possible. So by using this here, we can copy the files also possible. Okay, re-recording rights here, copying files is also possible. So re-recording means we can do anything, and it is unable to play the our computer or else anything. So it is mostly available in the general way, general format. It is mostly using in the general format, and it is enabling the our computers, and it is performing the anything. So whatever we have the DVDs or anything, and it is not supporting in the addition of deletion of data. So yes, it is copying, it is storing is possible, but there is no possibility to perform the deletion into this. Yes, it is performing whatever we have, but there is no possibility to perform the deletion for this. There is no possibility to perform the deletion for this. Okay, so whatever you have to be copy is possible. You can copy, you can paste into another one. So that is possible, but here there is no possibility to perform the deleting option into this. Whatever you have the data, there is no problem. Uh, there is no possibility to do the deletion process, and means your data is performing the cannot be rewritten, cannot be overwritten. Whatever we have cannot be overwritten. Okay, and next here we have the fifth one, DVD or W. We have the fifth one, DVD or W. So here RW means here rewritable, rewritable. Okay, RW right here, rewritable. So it is a recordable. R means your recordable. So here RW means your rewritable. Okay, we can write this one is the rewritable. So this record file is taking the same like whatever we have the or. So here also we are taking the 4.7 GB. Here also we are taking the 4.7 GB, and by using this here we can rewrite is possible compared to the DVD or. Compared to the DVD or, your DVD or is just a recordable format, that is just you're copying the files whatever we have. So that is not performing the deleting or anything. So whatever we have into the RW rewritable process, we can perform that into. Okay, so again whatever we have anything that you can perform into this. So it is by using this here we can erase means here we can delete also possible. Okay, in the DVD or here there is no possibility to delete. In the DVD or W it is possible to erase, is also possible. And we can if you're erasing you can copy anything, you can install anything also possible. Okay, so it is taking the many times of making suitable for testing or anything, and it is very it is mostly we are using means your this DVD or W is the reusable performance. Okay, so but once you are reusing this one, it is very cost effective, means your cost expensive. Your we need to be place the cost for this. And next here we have DVD audio, only audio performance. Okay, and this type of format is just having the DVD audio format, and we can store into the audio files only. So this is only for listening the music. Okay, we can perform like only audio files like music on the CDs or else any some listening performance only. It is not watching performance. Okay, so like this we have into the DVD. So what we have in the DVD? So total we have the DVD video, DVD ROM, DVD RAM, DVD or DVD RW, DVD audio. Like this we have in the our DVD. And next here we have third one is the CD compact disc recordables. Okay, recordables. CD recordables. Right, so your CD or is also one type of our optical disc, and your whatever we have the CD, so so whatever you are performing with the CD, so into this we are performing the writing performance only. Okay, CD can be written only once, but can be read many times. Yes, whatever we have the CDs, that is writing only one time. Okay, that is writing only one time, but your that is reading many times. Okay, whatever we have, that is reading uh, writing once. CD recordable is having whatever we have the CDs, that is having the write once, read many times. Whatever we have, that is performing the write once, read many times. Okay, so you're whatever you're recording so slowly or fastly, uh, whatever you can perform slowly or anything fastly, so yeah, that is taking the CD values or not erasable performance. It is having the not erasable performance. Whatever you are installing, whatever you are performing, so that is not taking the not erasable performance. So you can write is possible on read, that is into multiple times is possible. So means here there is no erasable into CD recordables, right? And it is taking the users to make their own CDs. Okay, so users can make more, they self your make their own CDs also possible. And those are non-erasable format. Here we can store by using these here applications. Why? Because here it is having the high quality to perform. Okay, so why we are storing means here it is having the high quality to perform, and it is having the better real reliability, and it is having the more longer life also, more longer life also. Okay, and next here we have another one, CD rewritables. So this is the recordables, right? So next we have the CD rewritables. Rewritables. CD rewritables. And this CD rewritables we can call RW also. Already we have RW, but this is the CD rewritable performance, right? So already we have DVD, but this is working for the CDs. Okay, so this CD is one type of optical disc, and we can perform into this. We can record is possible. We can write is also possible by this. Okay, we can record is possible into this, or else we can rewrite is also possible. Okay, means here we can write, or else we can erase is also possible into this. Okay, we can erase or anything. So we can your users or you're taking this series in the multiple times here. So we can also call this is the erasable optical disc, and this disc is having the drives and softwares. Whatever you have, CD-ROMs here, everything will be performing the our CD-ROM type. Okay, CD-ROM drives. Okay, so backup is possible for these, and it is also mostly used in the multimedia for the desktop publishings or anything. So we can use this one. Okay, we can use mostly into performances. Okay, whatever you have the performances, you can work with this. And mostly we can perform the cat race disk, floppy disk, compact disk. Your compact disk means your CDs only. We have the zip drives, okay, cat race tapes, and everything can be performed with this. Okay, not only optical disc here, we have so many things. Okay, so and we have the some yes, we have the um, yes, we have the optical disc. Okay, so what are the uses for the optical disc, and what are the advantages, and what are the limitations for the optical disc? So then see the what we have the uses for the optical disc. So here these optical disc is used to distribute the audio files like songs. Here this optical disc is performing like, okay, whatever you have, this optical disc is performing like means here it is distributing to all the persons like audio files. Your audio files means here we can take for example here like songs. Okay, and it is also used for the some data, so you can store any data into this also possible. And it is used for the some electronic versions, is like we can print the journals, books, or magazines, or product catalogs, or anything you can perform into this. Okay, and these are used to perform the some whose amount of data. So but that is the very low cost also. Yes, it is performing, but it is very low cost also. And we can store is possible, we can distribute to multimedia like video games also possible. And we have latest versions into this like software products. Okay, so like we have the software products. By that software products, your vendors can be perform anything. So it is maybe buying, or it is maybe selling anything. So software vendors or software products also possible to perform in this. And your end users companies also working into this. It may be personal or secret information, anything. So your end users also performing. Who are the end users means your we are the end users into this. Okay. And what we have the advantages means your, it is some cost per bit performances. Okay, it is one cost per bit means your how many bits it is having to storage. So for that here you have to be pay the our cost. Okay, so it is cost per bit storage capacity. So if you have the high storage, definitely have to pay the more it is expensive. So if it is having the low capacity, it is different. Okay, so suppose it has in the high storage density, so it may be less cost, and it is offering the additional cost benefits to users or whatever you have. If you need to be erase that one, so if you're erasing and if you're using means you that is performing the multiple times means you definitely that is having the high expensive. And this optical disc is uh, performing like tracks performances. In the previous class we discussed whatever we have the tracks type like this. Okay, so here is maybe spiral track, and this spiral track is taken the huge blocks that blocks are arranged into the videos or any audio files. Okay, so this video and audio is every time is taking the tracking performances only, right? So without the tracking, how we can, so it may be FM or anything. So anything will be taking the tracking only. Anything will be taking the tracking only. And next year these are so we have the optical disc lifetime is the 30 years. Mostly we have the one optical disc life is the third more than 30 years we have. Okay, more than 30 years we have in this. And data can be stored in the CD-ROMs, or else we can store CD-ROMs, or else here ROMs also possible. So those are cannot be erased or else overwritten. So whatever you have, so that is just it had to be performed. So there is no possibility to rewrite, or else there is no possibility to erase anything. And it is just capable to storage whatever we have the data. So it is just taking the less space only, it is not taking the more than that. So it is capable whatever we have the capability for that CD or DVD, so that is only storing, it is not storing more than that. Okay. And it is portable only. So portable means here we can travel by this in anywhere. Okay, so it is in handhold, right? So it is handhold means here uh, we can travel. Okay, we can travel with this. Okay, we can travel in anywhere, that is also possible. And next year it is handled easily. So why? Because your it is in the easy size. Okay, and it is uh, mechanical read type and right head and crash surface, everything is possible. Okay, everything is possible into this. And we can use this one into for the watching the videos or listening the music or anything. Okay, for the watching the movies, or else here for the listening the music also is possible. And these are the our advantages for this. And what we have the limitations, and what we have the limitations. So here we have the limitations for this is like accessing the speed, or else it is comparing, when you are comparing with the magnetic disk, here it is having the more magnetic disk performances, and it is having the more offline storages. Okay, so means here when you're when not only when you are using the data, so it is also performing the offline performances also, and it is handling the our high sensitivity type, and it is just having if you are performing the any scratches or any dust or any some sticky pins, everything is there, it is not working properly. So if you have to be take care of the CDs or DVDs anything, and it is having the some more complex drives on this. Okay, so these are the our advantages, uses, and limitations for the our optical disc. So mostly we are performing in the we are performing this one in every cases. Okay, so we are watching the videos or we are listening the songs, everything, right? So mostly everyone you nowadays using the YouTube or anything. Okay, but here without the DVD or without the CD, there is no possibility to perform any storage, right? So for that only we created, right? So for that you're created. Okay, so you can perform any zip disk or any disk pack or any Winchester's disk or anything you can perform. Okay, mostly here you are performing the our optical disc for the DVDs or CDs. Okay, so your CDs and DVDs, everything, those are made by the some materials, and that is made by the some plastic coated like this. Okay, so everything is good. Yes, everything is good only, right? So here in this class we discussed like what we have in the optical disc, different types of optical disc formats. Here we have the different types of optical disc is like a CD-ROM and DVD and CD recordables and CD rewritables. Okay, so your CD-ROM will be taking the compact disc read only memory. So and this is the non-volatile, means here it is not storing more much more, right? And whatever we have the text and pictures, graphics, any sounds or any animations we can store into this, and this is only for reading purpose, it is not writing anything. So we have the some sizes to perform the CDs, and by that only we are storing into that. So suppose you have the 700 MB, means here we cannot fill that one. So if you are filling that one, it will be damaged. So if you have to be given some space. Okay, so if you are not giving some space, it is showing like a red mark. So in that time also you have to be erase anything, right? So means here if you not you cannot place anything into that. Okay, so your DVD is taking videos, maybe ROM, means here it is can be read, or else you're only for writing, or else it is erasable if it is rewritable or not here, and re-recordable or not here, and is this for audios or is this for only videos? So whatever it may be, so it is performing the our videos, whatever it may be, here it is performing. And here it is having the CD recordables. Your CD recordables is performing the write once, read many times here. So it is only you are writing one time, so we can read that into many times is possible. Okay, so not only once, here whenever you need you can retrieve that one is again and again in possible. And your CD rewritable is working here, record and rewrite erase. So whatever you have the you can record, and that you can rewrite, and or else here you can work with the erase is also possible. Okay, so in this class here again we discuss what we have the uses for the optical disc and what we have the and advantages, what we have the limitations, right? So mostly nowadays here we are using our optical disc. Without the optical disc no one can perform. So suppose if you are using the DVD player, yes, you can place that into CDs. Okay, so you can listen the songs or else whatever it may be. So if you are not understandable or if you are not good at the mobile, so you can go with this. Yes, you can buy the CD, you can buy these DVDs, you can play the movies also possible. Yes, in the markets nowadays everything is available, right? So you can buy the DVD. So in that they already placed or else they already pasted the movie. So right, so by that here you can see is also possible. So yes, but in the previous days everyone is using the CVDs only, CVD and DVDs only, but at present here we got the movies in the several website. Okay, several websites. So that's what mostly some people are not using the DVDs. Yes, everyone is seeing the movies into the mobiles, or else you're going to the theater or anything. So but your CDs or mostly we are using for the to develop or to perform anything, so we need to be listen. Some coaching centers also giving the DVDs or anything. So yes, we are using these DVDs and CDs in everywhere. But nowadays you're comparing to the our mobiles, you're we are not using mostly these CDs and DVDs. Yes, but here we have the useful for this. Why? Because here always we are storing into the mobile means here will get the some damages. Here we are storing into this means yes, there is no problem, we can buy anything. It is just for 20 or 30 or 50, up to 50 we are placing this one, so there is no problem with that, right? So once your mobile is damaged, there what we can do, no, right? So yes, CD and DVD is very important to us, and I think everyone is seen these CDs and DVDs, right? So in the next class we will discuss another topic for the our computers. Thank you.